routines are for anyone looking to enhance their daily life, adopt new healthy habits, or simply find inspiration to start the day right. First off, let's explore your morning routine for maximum productivity. It's all about starting the day focused and ready to tackle tasks efficiently. A good breakfast, a short exercise, and a clear to-do list can do wonders. Now let's transition into the evening. Evening wind-down rituals are essential for relaxing and preparing for a sound sleep. A warm bath, a good book, or some calming music might be just what you need. For those of you who are health-conscious, preparing healthy meals for the week in advance can save time and maintain a balanced diet. Imagine having all your meals ready and not having to worry about what to cook every day. Now more than ever, many of us are working from home, so it's crucial to develop habits for success in this environment. Staying productive and maintaining a work-life balance when working remotely can be a game changer. And what about staying fit without gym access? A home workout routine can be just as effective. With the right exercises, you can stay in shape and feel great, all from the comfort of your own home. Mindfulness and meditation practices can also be a vital part of your daily routine. A simple meditation session each day can have profound effects on your mental health and focus. For students out there, implementing effective study techniques and organization tips can make managing schoolwork less daunting. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder. But it's not all work and no play. A self-care Sunday routine can be a day dedicated to activities like spa treatments, reading, and relaxation exercises. It's all about taking care of yourself. And let's not forget about our planet. Incorporating eco-friendly daily practices and using sustainable products can make a world of difference. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless more daily routines to explore, from digital detoxing and journaling for personal growth, to skincare routines, time management tips for busy parents, and daily gratitude practices. So, why not give some of these routines a try? Who knows? You might find a routine that resonates with you and enhances your everyday life. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and making it a part of your daily life. So, go ahead, take the plunge and redefine your daily routine. Let's take a moment to appreciate the power of routine. Routines are not just about ticking boxes or following a set pattern. They provide structure to our day, giving us a sense of control and accomplishment. The psychological benefits are immense, from reduced stress, improved sleep, to overall better health. More importantly, routines play a crucial role in achieving our long-term goals, as they help us stay consistent and persistent. So, remember, routines are not monotonous, but magical. They can provide structure, reduce stress, and help you achieve your long-term goals. Harness the power of routine to transform your life. But what about breaking the monotony? While routines are magical, they also need to be flexible. Adding variety to your routine can be an excellent way to boost creativity and motivation. It can be as simple as trying a new activity, changing your environment, or slightly altering your routine. The key is to keep it exciting and fresh. Spontaneity and novelty can fuel your passion and keep things interesting. So, while you harness the power of routine, don't forget to sprinkle in some spontaneity. Remember, adding variety to your routine can recharge your creativity and motivation, giving you a new perspective on your journey towards your goals. In conclusion, daily routines can significantly enhance your everyday life. From kickstarting your day with a morning routine for maximum productivity, to winding down in the evening with mindful practices, it's all about finding what works best for you. Don't forget to incorporate health-conscious habits, adapt to remote work environments, stay fit without gym access, and practice effective study techniques. Self-care, eco-friendly practices, and embracing change should also be part of your routines. And remember, while routines are powerful, they should also be flexible. Add some variety, break the monotony, and keep it interesting. So experiment with different routines until you find your perfect balance. Remember, the power is in your hands. Harness the power of routine, but don't forget to sprinkle in some spontaneity. After all, it's your journey towards your goals, so make it as enjoyable and as fulfilling as possible. Until next time, stay productive, stay healthy, and stay happy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll know exactly when a new video is posted. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to bring you even more great content. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring towards a more fulfilling and blissful lifestyle with us. Bless your heart, and see you in the next video.